Right, this is the Television Eye Channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, not Polokwane City North. Brother, how do you feel about the game in
I'm not feeling good like the previous game for Cape Town City. I'm not feeling good
because of the throw.
Because of the throw.
And you are not used to the throws.
I don't think every time Nasa Stadium is like it throw. You're not.
We're not counting
it is 1-1. It is 1-1 or 2-2. Not.
No. So what do you think about the goal that was disallowed? What's your opinion on that?
Ngibuza umbuzo ukuthi why namhlanje kune VAR
ngoba kudlala nini?
Ngoba kudlala Sundowns nePolokwane City. Why kune VAR? Ibuyaphi VAR eSouth Africa?
So kune VAR namhlanje.
Namhlanje bekhona iVAR eSouth Africa ngoba kudlala iPolokwane City neSundowns.
And they against me.
They against Sundowns.
Sorry about that. So who was your man of the match today?
My man of the match today. My man of the match today. Same like this boy past year. Said jersey number 11 from Sundowns. Alende. I give the man of the match.
Oh, thank you very much, my brother. All the best in future.
Can you tell me one thing? What the purpose of postponing a game on Wednesday?
Because of there are salary disputes at Swallows. So Swallows said no, but they can come.
In PSL, there is no compensation from the salary.
Yeah, no, full game, but then thinking I was abadlali madongaholi bazodlala kanjani or ngifuna ubadla ngoba selangile
mara webona inkinga yenze i-draw namhlanje i-draw ile game ya Wednesday siyesa lose i-cooperation from Wednesday namhlanje nasifika sesiyodlala ngoba ngenzeka i-postpone nayo
yazi normally bathi if you want to win a game, you must take a game at a time. So now, on Saturday, Wednesday, we'll have another game at a time.
On Wednesday, we'll have another game. Oh, I can't play.